before its anticipated release next month, color options for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max have appeared online. This year, Apple's rumored 3nm A17 Bionic processor, which offers increased performance and battery efficiency, may be included in both Pro models. While the top-tier iPhone 15 Pro Max model may have a new periscope camera with enhanced optical zoom. According to a 9to5Mac report, the deep purple coloring was first launched with the iPhone 14 Pro range last year. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will not be offered in gold or deep purple color options. The Cupertino business has been releasing its Pro models in gold for the last 5 years. These color options have been removed, but according to the report, they will be replaced with Titan Gray and a dark blue color option in addition to the space black and silver hues now available. According to a prior report by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple intends to switch to a new titanium chassis for the iPhone 15 Pro models in place of stainless steel. In addition to reducing overall weight, this should increase the durability of the next phones. Gurman claims that on September 12th, Apple may have an event to introduce the iPhone 15 series. The report indicates that the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will come in the following color options: black, blue, green, pink, and yellow. With the addition of a USB Type-C port, the iPhone 15 series of smartphones is finally expected to offer support for faster data transmission speeds. The company is expected to equip all iPhone 15 models with a USB Type-C port in place of its proprietary Lightning port. All 4 models are said to feature the dynamic island that was introduced on last year's Pro models. If the claims that state they will support Thunderbolt USB 4 connection are true, up to 40 GB of transfer speed might be offered by the handsets. The handsets are also anticipated to offer support for up to 35 watts of cable charging over a contemporary USB connection. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.